Hello everyone, today we are going to Rampa Waterfall. We have started our journey from Rajahmundry, which is 60 km from Rampa Waterfall. Firstly, we have started our journey from Vijayawada. From Vijayawada, we have come to Rajahmundry. From Rajahmundry, we are going to Rampa Waterfall, and then after that, we will go to 𝘼𝙣𝙟𝙟 Waterfall. It is one of the famous waterfall in Andhra Pradesh. You can visit this place in winter or after rainy season. It takes 20 minutes to reach the top of the hill, and the waterfall on the top is really amazing spot. You will forget all your tiredness once you see the beautiful waterfall. Now we have reached the top of the waterfall. From parking it takes 15 minutes by walking. Rampa Waterfall is evergreen forest of the agency track in 𝘼𝙣𝙟𝙟 district and blessed with many picture spots and perennial waterfall. It is very nice place to enjoy where we can see the beauty of nature. The waterfall is located in a dense jungle and can be accessed by four-wheeler. Traveling through the dense jungle is very nice experience. The road and the area up to waterfall are very nice maintained by the local villagers. There is a small track to reach the waterfall from entrance. While climbing, the flowing water stream will be at your right, and there are several small waterfalls making the small track more enjoying. You will have the great experience if you can afford 20 minutes more to trek than the normal waterfall, which shows at bottom. It will be very nice experience for sure. This is one of the best place if you want to experience the local tribal lifestyle with hills around. Maredumilli is located inside the jungle and by the side of rivers. Waterfall become full in rainy seasons and several camping areas open up during the winter time, which is popular picnic season for the people in Andhra Pradesh. There is Lord Shiva temple at this place, which is 100-year-old temple at the bottom of the hill, so don't miss to visit the temple also. Best time to visit the waterfall during rainy season when hills and valley become green, or just after the rainy season. It is very good place far from your routine life. Bamboo chicken is very famous in this place. Journey to this place is very calm and quiet. All the places we go through seems very pleasant and the roads are narrowing along the way, but still after reaching this the view is very beautiful. The waterfall are not so big, it's great spot to spend some time with your family and friends. If you are the nature lover, you should visit here. This place is very scenic and calm and not much crowded place. You will find the green hills along the approaching way. Now we are on the way to 𝘼𝙣𝙟𝙟 Waterfall, which is 60 km from here. In between Maredumilli and waterfall, the road is also very beautiful. Plenty of places you feel to take photographs. There is a viewpoint between the Rampa and 𝘼𝙣𝙟𝙟 Waterfall where we can take the lots of photographs and selfies. This is excellent viewpoints in Maredumilli. This viewpoint is located away 14 km from Maredumilli. This square cave to take pictures and see the beauty of greenery and mountains. The pleasant scenery with the beautiful point is the most attractive things about this place. Now we have reached to the 𝘼𝙣𝙟𝙟𝙨 waterfall, which is 60 km from Ramba waterfall. It is so beautiful place, lots of greenery around. At this time due to corona situation, not much people around, so no crowd is here. If you are nature lover, then you should definitely come to this place. It is beautiful place, but you have to walk half kilometer from road, fresh air surrounded by trees. It's just like in the middle of the forest. It is very good place, kids will enjoy it, but steps are very difficult to climb, so I would not suggest for elderly people. So we have reached down by walking 15 minutes around. It's thrilling, you must have energy to go down and climb up. It is good place to visit, but you have to be careful because rocks are too much slippery here. It will take minimum 1 hour to visit this waterfall, so one thing you make sure you should complete this trip before 4 p.m. itself, because the light gets off there quickly. It was such a great experience. We spent plenty of hours in this waterfall. Really great time we spent here and we enjoyed very well. It is nice waterfall with natural look and no artificial and constructed item except the couple of bamboo bridges. The area is maintained by the local tribes and they maintain the area by making steps and preparing easy jungle path with side barricade support. Good place to enjoy, but be aware of monkeys while carrying the food items. Also take care of slippery surface while you are in water. Overall ghat road with cool weather and greenery on the way is also the good experience. It's been very fantastic place for who are adventurous and nature lover. It's very beautiful place and we enjoyed there a lot. A must visit place in Maredumilli. I fell in love with this waterfall. You need to be careful because all over the way monkeys were roaming and reaching the people's vehicle and stealing their things also. It is must visit place in Maredumilli. More than waterfall, road leading to it quite thrilling and exciting. Viewpoint was the setup from where the entire forest can be seen. Hope you like the video and it will be helpful for you. Enjoy your fix and stay safe.